Hello everyone, this is Earl Siniba, professional concept artist currently working for Escalation Studios. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown on how I created this sketch of a middle-aged West African soldier. So let's get right into it. I started with a blank canvas, obviously, and I changed the background color from white to a mid-tone gray so as to make the canvas look less intimidating. Eventually, I came up with a rough sketch of the soldier. The idea was to have him look like he was on his guard while propping his gun up to his side in one hand. And one thing I really like about this pose is the curvature of the action line. It makes the pose look really dynamic and spontaneous. A quick trick is to have his head facing one side while his body faces the other. And there's not really any shortcuts to proper posing, but I've personally used this trick a lot of times in my sketches. On top of a new layer, while keeping the original sketch at a low opacity, I was able to come up with a more refined line drawing. But not too refined because this is just a sketch, so you don't want to waste too much time on this stage. And immediately after that, I added some values. The light source is coming from the top right hand side of the canvas. And so far everything is black and white. Keep in mind that I'm not spending too much time on one area at this stage of the sketch. I knew that I wanted to have a lot of brown, so I bumped up the saturation and voila. Then I slowly began to add other colors on a new layer with the blending mode on overlay. So far, the color scheme has managed to remain analogous, ranging from red to yellow on the color wheel. I later introduced the blue sky into the picture. You can officially kiss the analogous color scheme goodbye from now on. I moved along by adding a few more color accents on the soldier's outfit, and of course, no painting is complete without a little atmosphere. And that's it, the end. But then, one day, because I was too lazy to start a brand new piece, I revisited this middle-aged African soldier and I brought him to a higher level of detail. And now we're really done, guys. This is the end. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for future videos. Please subscribe, and I'm waiting for you in the comments section because I know you have questions. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.